Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add property on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you're gonna need Pulse for booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on your screen, you can see options like home, bookings, availability, messages, and more. Go to more, then tap on the first option on the screen, property details. Then on the top right corner, you can see there's a plus sign. Tap on it, then it's gonna take you to a website where you can list your property. All you have to do is select the type of property, answer all the questions asked by the website, pin your location, give payment methods, give your rate, give your photos. Actually, you have to add more than 5 photos. Once you fill in all of that, you have to certify that it is a legitimate accommodation business. You also have to confirm that you have read, accepted, and agreed to the general delivery terms, and tap on open for bookings. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your property on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.